A new wave of dramatic claims have exploded across the internet, and the war between Iran and Israel, it has intensified. During a fresh barrage of missiles and drones launched towards Israeli cities, social media suddenly began circulating sensational reports that a senior Israeli leader has been killed. In fact, the name at the center of these claims is Itamar Ben-Gvir. Posts online suggest that Iranian missiles they had struck a location connected to him in Tel Aviv, allegedly injuring or maybe, just maybe, killing the controversial minister. Some posts described it as a major victory for Iran and claimed that the strike had hit the minister's residence during the missile barrage. But you know what? Within hours, another dramatic claim began circulating. Some social media accounts alleged that Netanyahu, the Israeli leader, had been killed during the same escalation. Now, these reports quickly went viral, spreading across platforms and fueling intense speculation about the safety of Israel's leadership. However, when officials and major news outlets began examining the claims, including Times XP, a very different picture started to emerge. So far, there has been no official confirmation that Mr. Ben-Gvir has been injured or that his home was struck by the missile. In fact, Israeli authorities have not really reported any direct attack on his residence. Security sources also say that there is no verified evidence that the minister was harmed during the missile barrage. The claim regarding Mr. Netanyahu, it has also been widely questioned. Some reports suggest that he died unrelated incident. Well, many others say that the information spreading online, it may simply be part of a chaotic information battle that often accompanies modern conflict. And yes, that is an important point here. When large-scale missile attacks happen with sirens blaring, cities going into shelters and explosion reported across multiple locations, information spreads extremely fast. In the fog of war, unverified reports, edited videos, rumors, it can travel around the world within minutes. In fact, during the latest escalation, Iranian forces reportedly launched hundreds of missiles and drones towards Israeli targets, while Israeli air defenses worked to intercept them. Systems like the Iron Dome, other missile shields, they were activated across the city to stop the incoming threats. And at the very same time, the conflict is not just happening in the skies. It is unfolding in the information space where both the sides try to shape the narrative of the war. Claims of victory, destroyed targets, high-profile casualties often appear online long before any official confirmation is available. And that is why, ladies and gentlemen, analysts say that every dramatic claim during wartime, it must be treated carefully until verified by reliable sources.